So I'm going to give you a little update here on my dry pour concrete project. This is Scott with Umber Outdoors. Hope you like the videos. If you do, please subscribe. But we did this a few months back, and it's the first time I've ever done a dry pour, and it turned out really good. The only crack that I have is going to be right there. A little small hairline crack that goes across. I didn't cut any expansion joints in this because it got a little set up quicker than I thought it was going to. There's Ryder. But overall, I'm extremely satisfied with the dry pour experience. All I done was form it up. You can go watch that other video. I'm gonna link this one in the same playlist with where we actually did that, but we come back and put some landscaping material down and backfilled with washed gravel, and still got a little bit of ways to go on the grass here, but for the most part, the sidewalk is solid as a rock. Turned out good, looks good. I would highly recommend the dry pour method. I think we ended up using, I think it was like 60 bags, 60 pound bags, if I'm not mistaken, on this dry pour. Took one morning to complete it. I think I formed it the day before and leveled all the ground pretty much, and come back the next day, and it had rained the night before, so I had a lot of moisture in the ground, and I went ahead and wet it some more before I put the concrete mix in, which was the Quikrete, 60 pound bags of Quikrete. So I wet the ground real good beforehand, and I think that helped it cure from the bottom up. And then of course we put the water on it every 15-20 minutes throughout the day, and man, it turned out good. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. So if you like the update, you like the video, like and subscribe. If you got any comments, please leave them below. And I do appreciate you guys watching Umber Outdoors, and who knows what'll be on the next video, but we'll make one in a week or two. Thanks for watching.